Hey, I'm Dusty, friends call me Moose. I'm the dude behind cameratips.com, and in this video I want to show you how to set up face detection on the Sony a6000. Now face detection works best when you have your focus mode set to AFC and your focus area set to wide. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that first. On top of your camera, go ahead and hit the C1 custom button and select AFC or continuous. On the back of the camera, let's go ahead and press the function button, and we're going to highlight the focus area, enter that menu, and then select wide. Now to select face detection, what we want to do is press the menu button. We're going to go to the very first tab, and we're going to go over to the 5th page, and we're going to go down to Smile Face Detect. And we're going to turn this option from off to on. Now that we have it set up, I've got a little example scene here for you. This is Kevin from The Office on my little mug, and you can see this little white box that follows Kevin as I move the camera from left to right. Now if I half press the shutter, you'll see now it turned green, so that tells me that his face is now locked on in focus, and that box is continuously focusing on the subject's face. So even if I move a little bit closer or a little bit farther away, the camera is going to continuously focus on the subject. Now, if you're still trying to figure out this camera, maybe you're still unsure of which settings to use, I actually just released a set of cheat sheets that show you the exact settings I use for things like portraits, sports, landscapes, and more. You can kind of think of them like recipes, show you which shooting mode, the exposure settings like aperture, shutter speed, and ISO. I also go over the autofocus modes I use for different subjects and scenes. So if you want to check that out, I'll put a link down in the description below. Until next time, thanks for watching. Catch you later.